In front of me is Motorola Razr 50 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. First of all, you need to launch your keyboard and click on this icon of a color palette at the top of it. Then select one of those themes by clicking on the best one. Manage keyboarders thanks to this switcher and hit apply. As you can see, after that, theme of my keyboard has changed. If you wish to customize it though, go back to the same settings and instead of tapping on any of those, use plus icon under my themes. Then tap on the photo that you wish to apply as your keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move, and tap on next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Hit done. Manage keyboarders and select apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye.